If you guys are looking for a good place to stay in Luxor, Egypt, I highly recommend Bob Marley House Hostel. My recommendation, this is the best hostel in all of Luxor, Egypt because of the price range. You got one of the best prices, Bob Marley. And you know, about to go meet a friend now named Hamid, which is an awesome individual. We're gonna be walking around the streets of Luxor, Egypt to get a better vibe of what Luxor is really all about. And I wanna show you guys right there in hand what Luxor is. So let's go right now, let's go. Welcome to the very first of the Africa Travel Series. Let's go, Hamid. Whoa! Egypt! Welcome, beautiful people.
Yes, you can make what you want.
We're on a journey walking the streets. Welcome to Egypt. We got rocked up!
I'm from Egypt.
Ancient history, you guys.
Anyone in the world
Very special.
come here in Egypt.
MARHABA. Huh?
Aye.
Very safe every places.
Yalla.
You can make what you want.
Yeah, tell
In Egypt, make what you want.
On the journey, we're still going.
Welcome, my friend. Welcome.
Welcome to Egypt. Woo! Andy, what's going on, brother?
Yes, I will be going to my home now.
Yeah?
Change it for my address. Just
Okay.
3 minutes.
It's 3 minutes.
And I will be walking with my bro, Hamid.
Yes, sir.
My best friend in my heart. And I will be making for him today around for the looking to the city.
Nice.
Have a good trip.
We're gonna go walk around Luxor and just see what really it's all about, how the people are, the life is, with the help of Hamdi to show us it.
منتصر. You have one more with you?
Yeah, at the place, yeah.
But خلاص ماشي ماشي.
Bashar, salam shukran. Hamdi, so walking in the streets of Luxor, Egypt?
Yeah, you will be walking now in the TV street.
Yeah.
TV street, it is the important VIP street in Luxor. You have everything, supermarket, you have a shop, you have a dress, you have a food, you have a drink. You will be today, enjoy it with my trip. Have a good day.
You guys got it. So this is TV Streets.
TV street,
Yeah. TV Street, guys. And it's like a market. There's a lot of food going on here. Vegetables. You guys can see it. Vegetables, fruits, breads are being made, breakfast is being done. People are coming in to get their food, starting the day. You know, in Luxor, full?
This is food, sandwich of the food.
Yeah?
This is an imbasala.
Sounds good. Full. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out for a second. Full is a very popular breakfast, an Egyptian breakfast. As-salam, Habib. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. This is beautiful. Full. Fries. Amazing. And to see the food that's going on, making a beautiful breakfast. You got people standing up, lining up. It's a whole bunch of people. Hamid. Shukran, Habib.
1 minute.
Yeah, wallah.
We will be try for you.
Okay.
Just moment, this is your welcome for honey.
Yeah, is it? Wallah, shukran, Habib. Wow, full. Mesh. So there's a full inside, you guys. You can see it. Really good though. It looks like a mess, but just a bunch of beans. You're fine. Onions inside it, spices. Really good. Let's try it out. Habib. Wallah, amazing. Amazing. Wallah, amazing, Habib. Wallah, shukran. Really good, you guys. Really good, you guys. Breakfast, you gotta get. Habib. Welcome to Luxor. Beautiful. It's the beautiful people in Luxor. Whatever you guys thought, I'm here to change your mind because really, it's the truth. It's the real reality. You know, people here working, they wake up, they start their day, and they're getting right to it. Woo, this is good food, eh? Let's go. Beautiful people, you guys. You see the streets? Everybody's enjoying their day. It's a sunny day in Luxor.